everyone, hope you all are doing fine and keeping safe. You all must have got an idea about what we are going to do in this session. Yes, we know Independence Day is approaching, so this time we'll be doing a patriotic song.
But before that, let's know some facts about India's independence. The British East India Company entered India as a trading company in 1600 to trade items such as tea, cotton and silk, but gradually it went on to become a political ruler in the country. The date, August 15, was chosen by the last Viceroy and first Governor General of India, Lord Mountbatten. August 15 is celebrated as Independence Day not only in India but also in 5 other countries. Hindi is not the national language of India, rather it is the country's official language. India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru was considered as a global style icon. During independence, India didn't have any national anthem. Jan Gan Man was written by Rabindranath Tagore in 1911 and was officially adopted in 1950. On behalf of all the women of India, Free India's parliament was represented by Hansa Mehta. According to law, the only material to be used for making flag is khadi. India gets its name from river Indus, which was the home of the Indus Valley civilization. The Sanskrit name of the country is Bharat Ganarajya. Now, let's feel the patriotism and start with our performance.
So, to understand the steps, you need to take a look at the choreography first. So, just see what we are going to do and then we'll do it together step by step.
अब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
Alright, let's start with the first step. In this song, we are not going according to the counts. We'll be doing according to the lyrics and the sounds of course. So the first move is left hand down, right hand above your left hand. And the first move is this. You just move your fingers and switch your hands position. And then extend your left arm, right and then left up. Make sure while you are moving, you need to make a fist and then open. Don't bring it like this. And then right and then open here. So left will come up and right down here. And your face is down. And then you will rotate both the arms like this. And then again you will switch the position of your hands. Now from here, left hand will go at the back and right hand. Make it a blade hand. And from here, 1 and 2. Just like a sword, the action of a sword. And then you take a spin and your hands are moving up above your head and you come up here. The ending position is this, and left hand is like this, blade hand again, right hand here on your left elbow. So it is like this, and then this will come out right and left, not together, one by one, 1, 2. And then you rotate your arms and bring it here. And then you rotate your head like this. Angaron mein jism jalaya. Bring your left foot forward and open your arms and bring it here. Bend down. Head. Come back. And then is 1. You start from here. Turn your left side. Left hand like this. Right hand like this. 1, 2. Turn towards your right and then bend. And then slowly twist and turn the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you bring your right leg forward like this. Just lift it and then place it like this, and with both arms rotating like this, and then you join it. Entangle your fingers like this here, and then you hit your head with this, with your hands, hit, and then with the body weight you come back. And then there is a sound of sword. So on that you do this and then turn. And then is rotate your arms and keep them straight, and you have to be really fast. So it is ye kesari rang, and then you take a spin, sajaya, and then act like you are picking up the color, the kesari color, sajaya hai. And then again there are 3 sounds of sword. So on that, first with your left shoulder and then right shoulder, and then you sit down. So this has to be with a jerk. So this is 1, 2 and 3. Now from here, right hand, place it in front of your left leg like this. Left hand cross, and then bring them back. Then is right hand down. So you will make a fist and keep it like this, and then left down and then head up. Then is jo tere liye saundat. Cross your arms like this and then hit them down, sahi, and then bring your left hand up. Then is with your right hand 1 and 2. Then with your right hand will go towards left. You get up and your right hand will go towards left, up, and then bring it down like this. So it is chahe jaan meri ye rahe na rahe. And then is you drag your right leg and bring it back here with your right hand and left hand here extended. So it is a meri zami, and then here both hands joint like this, and you bend your legs. Mehbu meri, and here extend both your arms and your leg towards back. Then from here, left hand straight, left arm straight, right hand on your left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 moves, and with this you are moving 1, 2, 3, 4. Then with jazz hands like this, and you cross your legs. So it is 1 and then turn, 2. Now left hand pointed, 3 and 4. Bend and come this side. Then you take 2 steps back, 1, 2 with small body weight. So it is 1 and 2. With this hands are going down. So it is जिस मुंह से निकल के make fist, cross it, bring it down and up. And you simply, your leg was here, you simply bring it here and your hands cross, down, up. Then both your hands towards your left side, up, bring them down and you bend your knees. So it is 1 and 2. Stop here with a jerk. And then left arm straight, right arm straight, and drag your left leg like this. And then you turn, your knees are still bent. Make sure your knees are still bent. And then you turn the other side, only on your toes. So it is 1 and 2. And here bend down. 3 and 4. Now extend your right leg in the diagonal position. Extend, take a step, rotate your arms and then bend down, join both the legs and then same thing left side. Extend and come down and then in the center 1, 2, 3 and 4. तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा. You are separating the hands at मिल जावा. And then is गुल बनके. Rotate both your arms and bring it here in the center like this. And left knee will come up and your position is this. Both knees are still bent. Left leg first from your left side and then from your right side. And then is itni si. So with your right hand you do like this. Left hand is at the back and you jump and bring your leg straight. Itni si. Si is down. Then is head dil ki. Make a heart. Slide from this side to this side. Head dil ki. Lift your right leg. Zoom. Then you stop here at your left side only. Now right arm extended and left arm extended. Right is coming down, left is going up. So it is moving opposite. And while you are doing this, you need to bend down. Then is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now while you are moving your right leg, you need to hop on your left leg in this step. And your hands are moving opposite to your leg. And then step towards your right and left hand here. Jazz hand. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And then both hands here in front. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this was it for today's session. We'll be continuing the choreography in the next session as well on the same song. Make sure you practice these steps so that we can move further. Till then, you take good care of yourselves, stay safe and keep rocking, keep dancing. Bye bye.